Well, hello there, ladies and gents. I'm Tammy Stepniewski, and you are watching Clear Cryptos. In this video, we will be discussing the fact that FTX will absorb Alameda Research Group. Of course, FTX is a very popular exchange, and they do about $1.5 billion worth of volume every single day. It was founded by Sam Bankman-Fried, who is also the CEO. And this guy is only 30 years of age, and he's worth $24 billion. So currently, FTX does have a native token called the FTT. Right now, it's worth about $25. At its all-time high, it was worth $80. So I know everybody is upset with the crypto winter, but to be honest, it really has made a lot of opportunities to get into some really solid investments at a significantly discounted rate. So let's get into this article about how FTX is going to absorb Alameda. Alameda Research Ventures absorbed by FTX. Cryptocurrency exchange FTX subsumed the venture capital arm of Alameda Research, consolidating billionaire Sam Bankman-Fried's cryptocurrency empire. Sam Bankman-Fried's crypto empire against the current climate. Alameda Chief Executive Officer Caroline Ellison confirmed the incorporation in an interview with Bloomberg. It was also substantiated by the employment of Brian Lee, a former partner of Alameda Research Ventures at FTX Ventures, the startup investment arm of the crypto exchange. The decision was made prior to the resignation of co-CEO Sam Trabucco, who said earlier this week that he was stepping down and would shift into an advisory role. According to the head of the fund, Amy Wu, the transition began in January this year when FTX Ventures raised $2 billion. While venture investing is now completely concentrated under FTX Ventures, Wu emphasized that the crypto exchange, the venture arm, and Alameda are all independent from one another. All three are operating completely as separate entities, Wu stressed. Due to the size of Alameda's portfolio, the incorporation could have significant implications for the crypto startup industry. According to research from PitchBook, Alameda invested prolifically, backing over 150 private companies, including non-fungible token marketplace Magic Eden and crypto bank Anchorage Digital. The two companies, FTX and Alameda, were both founded by Sam Bankman-Fried, whose crypto empire has been consolidated by the absorption. Previously, Alameda and FTX had made a joint cash offer to purchase the assets of crypto lender and trading platform Voyager Digital LLC, which had been struggling with liquidity crisis and bankruptcy. However, Voyager responded by calling the offer a low ball bid, adding that it could disrupt the bankruptcy process. Yet Ellison said Alameda is open to offering similar bailouts if the crypto winter continues to persist as bitterly. The more systemically important someone is, the more systemically important someone is, the more important it would be to try to support them, she said. Earlier, Bankman-Fried said that between himself and FTX, he had a few $1 billion on hand to help support ailing crypto firms after already assisting several other ailing firms. And of course, we do know that, Voyager did get in trouble because they had some exposure when it came to loaning some cryptocurrency to the now defunct Three Arrows Capital. So that was the news on the big absorption of Alameda Research Group into FTX. And I wish Sam Bankman-Fried all the best of luck, although really, he's such an intelligent guy. He just doesn't need it. He's smart like that. Well, that's going to do it here for me today, and I will catch you next time on Clear Cryptos. Take care.